Hi, I'm Shannon Miller with the Miller Elder Law Firm. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about what's going on out there with a visitation at facilities. And, it's been a really, really hard pandemic for our loved ones who are in facilities and for us not being able to see them. I want to share just a little story about my little grandma who sadly passed away during the pandemic, who was 102 years young and just the love of our family's life. My dad would go and see her every single day, bringing her snacks and her special cheese and crackers and chocolate, C's chocolates. She loved those. And unfortunately, when the lockdown happened and we really couldn't visit with her and he couldn't see her and hold her hand and talk to her about his day, she really became reserved and kind of depressed and sad. And she stopped eating, and she died in July. Whew. So that's why this is really important to me, that we really need to get some things square with regard to the governor's order, since my family is not the only one that went through such a situation. What we know is that as of September 1st, pursuant to Governor's Order 009, the access is now permitted under the new Agency for Healthcare Administration rules. Those rules should apply to skilled nursing facilities, group home settings, memory care units, assisted living facilities. We know that many of these facilities are complying with the governor's order, which is really a pretty awesome thing. It allows us to get into facilities to see our loved ones. And it gives special access to those of us who are essential caregivers and for compassionate caregiving, which is really reserved for end of life or serious medical healthcare situations. Essential caregivers and compassionate care providers can actually have physical contact with our loved ones, and we're not limited as far as visitation goes. And we're allowed to have privacy, and that privacy, that self-centered care, where we can actually provide caregiving to our loved ones, is provided for under this new order. So it's really great. What we are seeing is that most assisted living facilities are providing that access and providing that private contact that we all crave with our loved ones. Skilled nursing facilities have not been following the governor's order. At least it's been my experience so far that we're seeing is this kind of conflict between the CMS rules, which are the federal guidelines, and they're not rules actually, it's the CMS guidelines, that the long-term care facilities, skilled nursing facilities, nursing homes, are really continuing to comply with the CMS rules, which will not provide for that private contact. We've seen actually even situations where husbands and wives are being kept apart. They can't have that physical contact, and they're not being provided with any privacy. And if you, like me, know what that means to someone who is in a skilled nursing setting, which means that they usually are older and sicker, they can't do most of their activities of daily living. A lot of them have dementia, so they can't see or hear. They have aphasia. Sometimes they can't really communicate well, and physical touch becomes their method for love and communication. But if you are having trouble accessing your people, and you need help understanding what the guidelines provide for, and then of course what the governor's order provides for, we are here to help. Please call our office, set up an appointment, and we can help you with that. In any event, I hope you are getting access to our special people, and I wish you all the best, and please be safe out there. Thank you. I'm Shannon Miller with the Miller Elder Law Firm.